Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. PayPal earning application review, reward earning apps. Okay, first time application download, my video description checking. First time your account create your username and type your email address and type your phone number and password. My refer code use must be okay. My friend refer code use 250 coins free. Daily check-in, climb now, daily checking and spin and win. One spin, click now, total spin 40. Okay, one spin, climb, back, click now, visit and earning, website visit and just waiting 30 seconds and earning, video wall, video watch, one video watch 10 points free. Okay, application back, task, click now, task not available, I am back, home screen. Okay, reward. Okay, PayPal payment method, only PayPal method. Okay, PayPal gift card 3000 coins, $3 and 4500 coins, $5. Okay, your PayPal email address and submit, click now. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and refer earning, my video description referral link. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.